Ever find yourself wanting to say whatever in Russian? Today we are diving into 4 fun and useful ways to express indifference, casual dismissal, or just plain I don't care. Let's get started. First up we have все равно, which means it's all the same to me. It's versatile, polite, and great for everyday use. Here's how to use it. Ты хочешь пиццу или пасту? Мне все равно. Do you want pizza or pasta? I don't care, it's all the same to me. Next, we have ну и ладно, which translates to well, fine, or whatever, it's not a big deal. This one has a slightly dismissive, casual tone, perfect for playful conversations. Ты не придешь на вечеринку? Ну и ладно, повеселимся без тебя. You are not coming to the party? Whatever, we'll have fun without you. It's like saying no worries. Third on our list is без разницы. It's a straightforward way to say it makes no difference or it's whatever. You can use it in both formal and informal settings. Хочешь чай или кофе? Мне без разницы. Do you want tea or coffee? Whatever, I don't mind. Neutral and perfect for all occasions. And now for the slang. Пофиг is the informal way to say I don't care or whatever. It's casual, so save it for friends and chill settings. Please don't say it to your teacher. Ты получил двойку на экзамене. Пофиг. You got a failing grade on the exam. Whatever, I don't care. Now you are ready to say whatever in Russian like a pro. Which phrase are you excited to use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and practice these phrases with your friends. See you next time.